Good morning, girls. How are you today? Are you fine? That's good. Okay, are you excited to start my lesson for today? That's good. Let's start by saying the day and the date for today, girls. Today is Thursday, Thursday. Again, Thursday, and the date is 29/1/1442 after Hijrah. Again, today is Thursday, Thursday, and the date is 29/1/1442 after Hijrah. Please, girls, now I want you to open your book on Unit 1, Lesson 4. This unit is about feelings, as we said before. Number 10 and 11, page number 10 and 11, and write the day with the date, please, girls. Write the day with the date on page number 10 and 11. Quickly, please, girls. To start my lesson for today, write the day with the date, please, on page number 10 and 11. Then close your books, please, girls, and open your notebook. Open your notebook, girls, please, and copy this sentence in your notebook. Ahmed is hungry. Copy this sentence in your notebook. Ahmed is hungry. And don't forget to write also the day with the date in your notebook in the handwriting section, girls, please. Write Ahmed is hungry. Then copy this sentence. Okay? Now, let's start by a quick revision for our previous lessons. How many meals do we have in a day? How many meals do we have in a day? We have 3 meals in a day. We have 3 meals in a day. There are breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So we have 3 meals in a day. There are breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, girls? Now let's start our lesson for today, which is about phonics, how to pronounce some words with letter A and with letters A and E, also with letter I and IE. Here, A as cap, A as pine, girls, here as pen, and IE as pine. Pine. Okay, girls? Now let's take the first word in our lesson today, which is cap. 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 We also have tap. 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 Also here we have cape, 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 CAPE. So we have cap, tap, cape, tape, TAPE. So cap, cape, tap, tape. Okay, girls? Cap, cape, tap, tape, TAPE. How to pronounce pine. Okay, girls? Now here we have 2 pictures. Number 1 is pen, Pin, and pine, pine, pen, pine, Pin and PINE, pen, pine, PINE. Okay, girls? And here we have iron, 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 pen, pine, iron. Here we have face, 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 face. Okay, girls? Here we have vase, 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 VASE. Okay, girls? Face, vase. Okay, girls? Again, we have face, F-A-C-E. And we have vase, V-A-S-E. Also we have cap, tap, cape, tape, pen, pine, face, vase. Okay, girls? Now please open your book. I want you to listen carefully. Okay? Now let's listen together, girls.
Phonics. Exercise 1. Listen, point, and say. A says apple. And
Apple. Together, please, girls.
A says apron. A
A says apron.
says apple. And A says apron. Apron, apron. Apron, apron. Cap, top.
Again, cap and tap.
Ah, ah, A, cape. A, tape. A, cape. Tape.
Okay, now let's go to exercise 2. Listen and number 1 for A and 2 for A, E. Then say.
Phonics. Exercise 2. Listen and number 1 for A and 2 for AE. Then say, are you ready? Apple, apple. Face, face. Cat, cat. Cake, cake. Vase, vase. Hat, hat. Apple, apple. Face, face. Cat, cat. Cake, cake. Vase, vase. Hat, hat.
Then number 3.
Phonics. Exercise 3. Listen, say, and match. I says ink. And I says iron. I says ink. And I says iron. Iron, iron. Iron, iron. I says pin, pin. I says pin. Tim, Tim. Tim. I says pine, pine. I says pine. Time. Tim, time. Pin, pine.
Now let's match. Girls, match. Then mime and say in pairs. This is we will do it in the online live, girls. Now I want you to open your activity book, page number 69. 69, girls, please. 69. And listen.
Hi. Are you ready for goal 7? I can listen and point at the right pictures and words. 1. Listen, point at the pictures and words, and say. A says, ah, ah, apple. Ah, ah, cap. Ah, ah, tap. Ah, ah, hat. Ah, ah, cat. A says, hey, hey, apron. Hey, hey, cape. Hey, hey, tape. Hey, hey, cake. Hey, hey, vase. Hey, hey, face. I says, I, ink. I, pin. Tim. I says, iron. Pine. Time. Now say the words. Then do two.
Two.
Write the missing letters and read.
Now we have
You've finished. Well,
cap, cat, iron, apple, cape, cake, pen, apron, tap, vase, pine, tape, face, Tim, hat, ink, time. Again, cap, cat, iron, apple, cape, cake, pen, apron, tap, vase, pine, tape, vase, Tim, hat, ink, time. Okay, girls? Now, let's move to page 70 now. Listen and number.
hi. Are you ready for goal 8? I can say, read, and write the sounds for apple, a, cape, it, pen, I, pine by myself. 1. Listen, number the pictures, and say. 1. Apple, apple. 2. Apron, apron. 3. Cat, cat. 4. Cap, cap. 5. Tap, tap. 6. Cape, cape. 7. Tape, tape. 8. Cake, cake. 9. Face, face. 10. Vase, vase. 11. Iron, iron. 12. Pine, pine. 13. Time, time. Now say the words. Then do two. Write the missing letters.
Number one, apple, cat. Number one, apple. 2, apron. 3, cat. 4, cap. 5, tap. 6, 6 girls, cape. 7, tape. 8, cake. 9, face. 10, vase. 11, iron. 12, pine. 13, time. Now this is the end of my lesson today, girls. Please, girls, I want you to do these two pages, 69 and 70. Then send it to me, girls. Now, thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time.